Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can uh, enable this home button as a assistant. When you just long press it, it is not enable Google Assistant. How you can enable it? Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open settings option, swipe down, go to system settings. Here it is system navigation button. Here it is a more settings, and friends you can see voice assistant. To activate voice assistant, press and hold the power button. You have to enable this feature, press back, and when you just click on the home screen for a give a long press, you can see the Google Assistant is enabled. You can see, hey Google, play a music. Hey Google, play a music on YouTube. And friends you can see it is working. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.